Ako po si Natalia Doldolao, 10 years old. Sumali po ako sa The Voice Idol dahil gusto ko pong maging isang sikat na singer balang araw.
Natalia, you're so pretty, yes. And you have the potential to be a very good singer. Natalia, you are into The Voice Idol.